everyone, this is Ralph. Welcome back to the channel. In the short video that follows, I'm going to show you some of the techniques that I use to take curves with the Can-Am Spyder. The Can-Am Spyder, particularly if you come off a two-wheel motorcycle, is a bit challenging to take curves. And so I have several techniques that I use to take curves. First, I go back to my original motorcycle training course, in which they essentially say you slow, you look, you lean, and you roll. Now, with the Can-Am, there are several other things that I do, because the Can-Am's centrifugal force wants to push you off the bike when you go into a turn. So I do several things. I'm going to slow, I'm going to look through the turn, I'm going to lean on the Can-Am. That lean means if I'm going to my right, I'm going to lean to the right. If I'm going to my left, I'm going to lean to the left. And there's a couple other things that I do. I'm going to pull on in the direction of the turn, and I'm going to push in the opposite direction on the other side of the turn. And then I'm going to roll. So in the video that follows, you're going to see several examples of me taking curves. It becomes automatic once you start doing it, so I will not necessarily be counting out all of the steps. I hope you enjoy the video that follows, and I will see you on the next video.